So I'm going to go for see what I can record in my garden for the next 30 minutes. Right now we've obviously got this cute little blue tit, this rather splendid male blackbird. This is all through the kitchen window, by the way, so if the quality's not up to any kind of standard, I apologise. I have given it a clean though. I mean, after all, it is Christmas. I know these are quite rare for some people's gardens, but we've got about 30 that come to our all the time. The male blackcap is still out here somewhere. He's proving rather elusive now. Should have got him while he was feeding on the apple earlier. He's been jumping around in the ivy and various other things, so I'm going to have a little scan around. I'm sure he's here. There's a jay in there. Not common in our garden. Obviously the camera's not going to focus through the tree, but there you go. Jay. Getting quite a bit of distortion through the windows because we're looking at an angle. But nonetheless, it's a collared dove. Wood pigeon in front. A lot of feeding activity for our garden. Guess it's chillier. I haven't got anywhere near getting any red-wing footage, sadly. Or that blackcap. Great, it's just pulling out what it doesn't want. That's a lot of wastage, boys. Something will eat it. This looks like as near as I'm going to getting red-wing. Been flying over the whole time. This one's just landed in the tree 1.5 gardens over. There's been quite a little flock, 20-30 birds pinging around for a good couple of weeks. Pretty attractive bird, aren't they, Starling? Bit better view of the red-wing. Will we be blessed with that blackcap? Only time will tell. This is only the second time I've ever seen long-tailed tits on my feeders. They go through the bottom of the garden a bit. Looks like the sparrows have spooked them already. Collared dove looking fluffed up. Just funny. I broke the ice on my bin lid bird baths so they can have a drink and a wash if they're feeling really adventurous. Finally, blackcap. This is one of 2 males I've seen in the last half an hour. I had a female on this apple this morning, so I've got 3 blackcaps visiting my garden. I thought I had 2 yesterday, and this is just lovely. This has been the hardest bird to film the entire garden. Anyone who doesn't already do this, you absolutely must put your apples out in trees, because blackcaps absolutely love apple, and they don't really want to compete with the ground feeders. It's not a ground feeding bird, of course. So putting it in the low bushes, spike it onto something, spear it with, wire or whatever, and you will get blackcaps. Knowing the weather's going to be so horrible tomorrow, I really was determined to get some footage today. I'm happy. Merry Christmas, everyone. And he's away.